बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Transitive and intransitive verb, part 1. Transitive verb. A verb is called transitive when the action passes over from the doer, means subject, to object, or the object receives the action of the verb. In simple words, when we see that the action is being transferred to the object, that sentence is called transitive. Now we see its examples. He baked some cookies. So baked is transitive as this action is transferred to the cookies, some cookies, towards some cookies. We take the second example. I rode the bicycle. The action of the road is transferred to the bicycle. तो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब को हम सादा तरीके से ये कह सकते हैं कि जब वर्ब का एक्शन ट्रांसफ़र हो जाए ऑब्जेक्ट की तरफ, तो हम उसको कहते हैं कि ये ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है। इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, द वर्ब इज कॉल्ड इंट्रांजिटिव when the action stops with the doers or subject and does not pass over to an object. Its example: he runs, there is no object. I cried, there is no object. I walked to the park. To the park is not a object. What's that we see the next? She sleeps too much. He complains frequently. She sings every day. Now we see all the words which are written in red color. What is the secret of those words? There is no object receiving the action of the verb walked. The phrase to the park is a prepositional phrase and today is adverb. So the verb is intransitive. एक्शन जो है वो ट्रांसफ़र नहीं हो रहा, यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट है ही नहीं है। जो भी चीज़ें हैं या वो प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेजेस हैं या वो बेसिकली हम कहते हैं कि वो एडवर्ब्स हैं। प्रपोजिशनल फ्रेज ये है कि जब कुछ वर्ड और ये कॉम्बिनेशन बन जाए दो तीन वर्ड्स का, लेकिन उसमें सब्जेक्ट भी ना हो और वर्ब भी ना हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रेज। ठीक है। ही रन्स में देखें कि इसमें भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, और इसी तरह दोनों बॉक्सेस में देखें कि यहाँ पे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नजर नहीं आता। कंपैरिजन, many verbs can be either transitive or intransitive depending on the context. After we eat our sandwiches, we can go outside. It's transitive as there is an object, that is sandwich. The action of eat is being transferred to the sandwich. After we eat at my house, we cannot go outside. It is intransitive. You see, what they eat, there is nothing to eat. He runs a store. वो एक स्टोर चलाता है। In a next sentence we see the word runs give us a different meaning. He runs, दौड़ता है। along the beach every morning. Along the beach and every morning, all these words are adverb. They are not object. So there the verb runs is intransitive. I am reading a book. What I am reading? I am reading a book. A book is an object. I am reading. What I am reading? Nothing. So there is no object. It is intransitive. Direct and indirect objects. A transitive verb can take more than one object. He gave his sister a laptop. His sister here is an indirect object and a laptop is a direct object. And now we see this idea can be conveyed in another way. We can convey the same idea using a prepositional phrase. He gave a laptop to his sister. Here a laptop is a direct object and his sister is indirect object. सादा अल्फाज में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो चीज़ होती है वो हमेशा डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होती है और जो कोई इंसान होता है, कोई भी ह्यूमन बीइंग है और या कोई प्रोनाउन यूज़ करके जिस तरह हिज सिस्टर है थर्ड पर्सन के तौर पे यूज़ करके करते हैं, वो अक्सर जो है वो इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होता है। जो चीज़ हम कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट मुराद देते हैं वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो चीज़ होती है कोई।